Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and this file, and they're having trouble creating this. I've already created it, and if you look, it's uh, pretty unique. I like it. But what his problem is, let me just move this one out of the way, and he sent me this. This is in the center of the page. What he's doing is let's go ahead and just smart fill it. And let's go this way. And then get the interactive fill tool and go up. Put a little, well, I got the wrong one. Put a little darkness there. Too much, go up. And then move your slider. And then on this one, put a little darkness in the wrong spot, but it's, well, I need to do just the opposite. I need this here and the darkness down here. And so that's what he sent me. But then when he rotates it, let's Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. Let's bring in some indexing lines. And then let's move the rotation to the center. It doesn't look like it is, but if you click off of it, it is. And then you rotate it 120 degrees, it looks pretty good. But then when you go one more step, you get this part, and that's what he doesn't understand, or he needs help with. Because if we take this one and go up to Object Order and put it to the back of the page, then this part's showing. So what he's doing wrong, well, he did a great job, I'm not going to doubt it. What he's doing, what he has to do, let's take both these. Let's take away the fill. I kind of like the design. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and then let's move it to here. And let's rotate it at 120 degrees. There's the problem, is this is left over. So, and this is what you need to do almost every time you do something like this. So now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and just fill in those two parts. So you can see the difference now, what we're going to do. We can actually take away the lines. And let's take this one and use the interactive fill tool and go up and put a black. Make it not quite as much. Take this one and move down and make it black. Too much, so move your slider. So now, let's move these out of the way a little more. And let's group this together. Control G, Control D to duplicate. Double click on the rotation and put it in the center of the page. And rotate it 120 degrees. And then Control D. So what it did, it took away those parts. And if we select it all and right click no outline, it'll take away some of that line. I'm a little bit off right there, which I don't understand. Let's do that again. Maybe I jiggled something. Whoop. Control D to duplicate. Move the center of the rotation and rotate it 120 degrees. And Control D. Yes, so that line is gone. That's pretty cool. And if we bring in the black box, it really makes it stand out. Let's take away the indexing lines. So all he was really doing is just not rotating and basically making a new object. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.